Get ready for an adrenaline-pumping journey into the world of extreme forestry and heavy machinery. From high-powered log splitters, unstoppable logging trucks, navigating treacherous terrain, and mind-blowing mega machines rolling through the streets, this video is packed with jaw-dropping engineering, raw power, and fearless determination. A retired submarine embarks on a remarkable journey over land, an engineering feat that demands meticulous planning and precision. The massive vessel, once built for the depths, now navigates narrow roads, carefully supported by a heavy-duty, multi-axle transport platform. A team of specialists walks alongside, guiding every move and ensuring the submarine remains stable as it inches forward. The sheer scale of the operation is evident as traffic is rerouted, and onlookers gather to witness this rare spectacle of maritime history in motion. The specialized transport system distributes the immense weight, with hydraulic suspensions adjusting in real time to keep the balance. Each turn and incline presents a new challenge, but the convoy moves forward with expert coordination, bringing the decommissioned submarine closer to its final destination. Massive road maintenance machines take center stage as they tackle overgrown trees and vegetation encroaching on highways. With precision and power, specialized tree cutting equipment moves along the roadside, ensuring clear paths for motorists and improving safety. A towering hydraulic arm extends from a truck, reaching high branches with a rotating saw attachment. It slices through thick limbs effortlessly, sending branches tumbling to the ground. In another scene, a powerful mulcher grinds fallen debris into fine wood chips, preventing obstructions and keeping the roadside clean. Further down the road, a long-reaching cutter methodically trims dense foliage, preventing branches from obstructing road signs and power lines. Workers in high-visibility gear monitor the process, ensuring efficient clearing without disrupting traffic flow. A massive vacuum truck follows, swiftly collecting loose leaves and branches, leaving the area spotless. The combination of advanced machinery and skilled operators transforms chaotic, overgrown roadsides into well-maintained pathways, ensuring smooth and hazard-free travel for all. A massive mining operation unfolds as a colossal excavator transfers tons of black earth into a waiting dump truck. The powerful hydraulic arm moves with precision, guiding the massive bucket to scoop up the rich material from the ground. As the excavator lifts, the sheer weight of the load is evident, demonstrating the raw strength of this industrial machine. With each cycle, the bucket tilts, releasing a controlled cascade of coal or earth into the truck's open container. The force of the falling material sends a thick cloud of dust into the air, coating the surrounding landscape in a dark haze. The truck, reinforced for extreme loads, absorbs the impact, its heavy-duty suspension flexing under the strain. In the background, other heavy machinery continues their relentless work, maintaining the efficiency of this large-scale operation. Haul trucks maneuver through the rugged terrain, transporting material to different processing areas. The scale of the operation highlights the engineering marvels that keep the industry running. The excavator's operator skillfully controls each movement, ensuring every load is distributed evenly to maximize efficiency. The rhythmic motion of scooping, lifting, and dumping continues, a cycle that keeps the mining industry in motion. This seamless coordination between man and machine showcases the incredible power and precision of modern excavation technology. The engineering marvel of the Panama Canal comes to life as a massive cargo ship carefully navigates through the locks. This crucial waterway, connecting the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, is a testament to human ingenuity and determination. As the ship approaches, powerful locomotives, known as mules, guide it with precision along the narrow channel. These specialized machines ensure the vessel remains steady, preventing collisions with the massive concrete walls that flank the passage. The water level in the lock chamber begins to change, a process controlled by an intricate system of gates and valves. Millions of gallons of water flow in or out, gently raising or lowering the ship to the level of the next section of the canal. The movement is slow yet methodical, demonstrating the careful coordination required to handle vessels of this size. On board, crew members monitor the process while canal workers oversee operations from control stations. Every detail is accounted for, ensuring smooth transit through one of the most vital trade routes in the world. As the lock gates open, the ship advances, continuing its journey through this historic passage. This remarkable feat of engineering, over a century old, remains one of the most important links in global commerce, facilitating the movement of goods between continents with efficiency and precision. In the heart of the wilderness, nature's most determined lumberjack is hard at work. This beaver, armed with nothing but its powerful teeth and relentless dedication, has spent days meticulously gnawing away at this tree. Every bite chips away at the solid wood, carving out a precise notch that will eventually bring the tree down. With impressive efficiency, the beaver uses its strong incisors, designed to slice through timber like a natural saw. The shavings piling up at the base tell the story of patience and persistence. This isn't just instinct, this is engineering in its purest form. Beavers strategically fell trees to build dams and lodges, creating the perfect environment for their survival. Each cut is carefully placed, ensuring the tree falls exactly where it's needed. After hours of effort, the tree finally gives way, crashing to the ground in a triumphant display of the beaver's hard work. What took days of precision and effort ends in just a few dramatic seconds. But for this skilled builder, the work is far from over soon. The logs will be transported to the water, where the real construction begins. Standing next to this colossal machine, a person appears tiny in comparison. This is no ordinary excavator. This is a true giant of the construction world, built for the most demanding jobs on the planet. The massive hydraulic arms extend with sheer power, their thick cylinders capable of moving thousands of pounds with precision. Every bolt, every hinge is designed to withstand extreme forces, ensuring this beast can operate in the harshest conditions. Its bucket alone is large enough to hold an entire car, reinforced with cutting-edge materials to rip through rock and soil with ease. The tracks beneath it span an enormous footprint, giving it the stability needed for heavy-duty excavation. This is a marvel of engineering, a testament to human ingenuity in creating machines that shape the world around us. Whether it's mining, excavation, or infrastructure development, this machine stands as a symbol of raw power and efficiency. The massive cat excavator slowly emerges from the warehouse, its hydraulic arms flexing as if awakening a sleeping giant. The gleaming steel bucket, lined with reinforced teeth, hints at the raw power it holds, capable of tearing through the toughest terrain with ease. As it rolls forward, the ground trembles beneath its enormous weight. Each movement is precise, controlled by advanced hydraulics that give this beast an unrivaled range of motion. The industrial-grade cylinders extend and contract, ensuring every lift and dig is executed with maximum efficiency. The scale of this machine is staggering, built for mining, earth-moving, and heavy-duty excavation. Its thick metal plating and rugged design showcase its durability, ready to take on the most demanding job sites. As it clears the warehouse entrance, it's a sight to behold, an engineering marvel that represents the pinnacle of construction machinery. This is power, precision, and innovation. Standing beneath this colossal abandoned bucket wheel excavator in Germany, one can't help but feel dwarfed by its sheer scale. Once a titan of the mining industry, this machine was responsible for moving massive amounts of earth, carving through landscapes with its relentless rotating buckets. Now, rust has taken hold, and vines creep through its once powerful mechanisms. The giant steel teeth, which once devoured soil with ease, are now frozen in time, remnants of an era when this beast roared with life. Walking around it, you can still see the intricate network of gears, hydraulic lines, and massive structural supports. Its control cabin, now empty and weathered, once housed operators who orchestrated its every move. Despite its silence, the presence of this abandoned giant tells a story of industry, progress, and eventual decline. It remains a hauntingly beautiful monument to human engineering, a relic of a time when machines like this dominated the landscape. Towering over the warehouse floor, this massive Caterpillar mining truck is a true giant of the industrial world. Designed to haul immense loads across rugged terrain, its presence alone commands respect. The sheer size of its tires, nearly as tall as an average person, hints at the incredible weight it can carry. As the camera moves, the towering dump bed comes into view, engineered to transport tons of rock and earth with every haul. The robust steel frame, reinforced for extreme durability, supports this engineering marvel, ensuring it withstands the harshest mining conditions. Up above, a worker stands on the platform, dwarfed by the machine's scale. The access ladder and railings emphasize just how high up the operator's cabin sits, offering a commanding view of any job site. This mining truck isn't just a vehicle, it's an unstoppable force of industry, built to endure and perform under the toughest demands. Amidst the vast expanse of an open mining site, an enormous excavator bucket rests on the ground, its sheer size dwarfing the worker standing beside it. The scale of this machine is staggering. Each of its teeth is nearly the height of a person, built to carve through rock and soil with relentless force. As the worker moves carefully around the bucket, it's clear that maintenance is underway. Every bolt, hinge, and hydraulic component plays a crucial role in keeping this industrial beast operational. These machines are the backbone of large-scale mining operations, capable of moving thousands of tons of material in a single scoop. The reddish earth beneath highlights the rugged conditions these machines endure daily. This is more than just heavy machinery. It's a testament to human innovation, built to dominate the harshest environments and power industries worldwide. The harvester moves with precision, its powerful arm gripping a tree and slicing through it in seconds. The sharp blades at the head make quick work of the trunk, cleanly severing it from its roots. With the tree firmly in its grasp, the machine tilts it forward, stripping away branches in one smooth motion. The logs are cut into uniform lengths, ready for transport. This is efficiency at its finest, turning dense forest into neatly processed timber in a matter of moments. The operator inside the cab controls every move with precision, ensuring the job is done swiftly and safely. The truck bed tilts at a sharp angle, releasing a heavy cascade of soil. As the load shifts, the rear gate struggles under the weight, barely holding on. The soil pours out in a steady stream, but the trailer wobbles slightly, its balance on the edge. Will it hold steady, or is it just moments away from tipping over? All eyes are on the final grains of soil as they hit the ground. The telescopic handler reaches high into the dense branches, its powerful grip securing a section of overgrown foliage. With a controlled motion, the cutter slices cleanly through, sending branches tumbling to the ground. Dust rises as the machine clears the way, making room for better visibility and safer passage. The massive bucket wheel excavator moves with unstoppable force, its gigantic wheel scooping tons of earth with each rotation. This engineering marvel is built for efficiency, capable of moving vast amounts of material in a single pass. The sheer scale of the machine dwarfs everything around it, making even large vehicles seem tiny in comparison. Each bucket carves into the terrain, feeding an endless conveyor system that transports the extracted material. It's a mesmerizing display of power and precision, where man and machine work together to reshape the landscape, fueling industries and construction projects worldwide. This is the world's largest excavator, known as the Land Cruiser Bagger 293, manufactured by the German company Krupp. It measures 240 meters in length and 49 meters in width, covering an area equivalent to about 3 soccer fields. Standing at 96 meters tall, it is as high as a 32-story building and weighs a staggering 14,000 tons, roughly the combined weight of 10,000 small cars. Despite its massive size, it only requires a crew of 5 to operate. Its front wheel has a diameter of about 22 meters and is equipped with 18 sawtooth digging buckets, designed to chew through the ground's coal seam. In just one day, this behemoth can excavate 240,000 cubic meters of soil, enough to fill 10 Olympic-sized swimming pools. It is equipped with 12 tracks, arranged in a configuration of 8 in the front and 4 in the back, to support its immense weight. Despite its maximum speed being only 600 meters per hour, this doesn't hinder its use by NASA to transport space shuttles and the Apollo Saturn V rocket. With a hefty price tag of $100 million, the Land Cruiser Bagger 293 still holds the title of the largest excavator in the world to this day. The harvester moves in, gripping 2 trees at once with its The lumberjack carefully inspects the massive tree, ensuring the cuts are precise. The deep notch is already in place, a crucial step in directing the fall. With every motion of the saw, wood chips scatter, revealing the rich color of the freshly cut trunk. The sound of the chainsaw echoes through the forest as the final cuts are made. As the tension builds, the towering tree begins to move. A slow creak turns into a powerful crash, sending vibrations through the ground. Another giant has been felled with skill and precision.
I'll give you the key to the highway and the key to my motel door. And I'm tired.